I'm Jeff Reese, Director of Sales and Marketing for the ES Advantage Program. I'm coming to you from my desk here in South Haven, Mississippi at the ES headquarters. And today, let me share my screen real quick. We're going to announce the winners of our May raffle. So a quick review over how that raffle works. For every lead that was submitted to us through the Rocket CDL app in the month of May, your name went on this wheel. So if you submitted one, your name's on here once. If you submitted 4 times, like Charles Korb did, then your name's going to be on the wheel 4 times. Big shout out to him. He was the biggest lead producer for the month. So there is an opportunity to win 3 cash prizes. The first spin will be for $500. The second spin will be for $250, and the third will be for $125. Let's go ahead and spin that wheel. And Moses wins. Congratulations, Moses. So $500 will be put on your card today, June the 10th. Let's go ahead and spin for the next one, $250. Here we go. Robert. Congratulations, Robert. $250 going right into your pocket. And now for the final. Let's spin for a little bit of cash here. All right, Gerardo. Congratulations, $125. All of you will receive your payments on your ES Advantage fuel card. We just want to thank everybody for participating. You guys, every time that y'all send us a lead, you're helping us help others, and that's what this is all about. We want to try to make this fun. Stay tuned. There's going to be more prizes, more drawings throughout the year. We appreciate what you do as you continue to drive our economy forward. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful and safe rest of the day. Thank you.